Hello friends, welcome to Abhi tutorials. So last video we have seen how to select the web element using CSS selectors. So in this class we learn about how to select the web element using Xpath. Okay, this is a more frequently used method. So let's start. First we'll import the Playwright. Okay, from playwright.sync API import. Okay, sync underscore playwright. Okay. Then with sync underscore playwright sp. Okay, so here we'll launch the browser first. Okay, browser equal to p.launch. Okay, p.chromium.launch. Okay, chromium dot. Okay, launch. Okay, here we'll use the headless mode. Okay, headless mode equal to false means it will display the page and we can see what is happening. If headless mode equal to true, we can't see what is happening in the background. Okay, page will open and close, but we can't see what is happening. If you want to see how page is opened and what is happening, then we have to use headless equal to false. Okay, after opening the browser, we'll open a new page. Okay, page equal to browser dot new page. Okay, and page dot go to. So for our exercises we are using I'll show the website. So this is the website we are using. So copy this URL. Okay, and paste here. Okay, so this is the website we are using for our automation scripting practice. Okay, then in today's class we'll learn about XPath. Okay, relative XPath selector. Okay, once we open the page, then selector will be tag name id equal to id value or tag name attribute name equal to attribute value. Okay, guys. So let us understand these two things here. Okay, first we'll go by id equal to id value, tag name id equal to id value. So always remember that expert selector will be starting with two slashes, forward slashes, then tag name, then id equal to id value. Okay, so let's go to our website. Okay, let me close this and beginning from starting. Okay, so here this is a web page. Then go to the inspect element. Okay, go to the inspect, and I want to fill something in username. I want to fill. Okay, so this is the username web element. Okay, so it is having id here, right? Id equal to username. Okay, so let's use control F here and we'll write the selector here so that it should be select web element and it should be unique and correct. Okay, so let's write syntax is double forward slash. Okay, then where is our web element? Click on here, username, right? This one. Okay, so double back forward slash, then input. Input is the tag name, right? So input, right? Then ID equal to ID name. Okay, so at the rate of ID equal to, what is the ID name, guys? Here, user hyphen name. Okay, so user hyphen name. Okay, so this will select our web element. So it is highlighted with yellow color. And here if you see, this is one of one. That means it is unique and correct. Okay, so we can use this selector in our coding. Okay, select Control C. Then we have to use that selector, right? So we have to write page dot wait selector, right? So that is username, right? Username underscore test box equal to page dot wait underscore selector, wait for selector, then in single quotes give your selector like this. Okay, so this will select the text box. Okay, then write the username in the text box, right? So just control C, then type. Okay, so what is the username, guys? Here username, if you see, standard underscore user. Okay, standard underscore user. Okay, same thing will follow for our password also. Okay, so let's go here and remove this. Okay, close this and select the password here. This is a password. Okay, same thing, id equal to password is there. Okay, so our selector will be input. Okay, at the rate id equal to password. Okay, so the web element will be selected. So this is one of one and unique. Okay, so we'll use the same thing in our code. Okay, then control C here. Same thing you do for password test box. Password underscore test box. Okay, equal to page dot wait for selector in single quotes. Give the selector. Okay, then same thing here. Password underscore test box. Okay, dot type, right? Dot type equal to, so what is the type here? Password, guys, secrets underscore sauce. Okay, give the password secret underscore sauce. Okay, guys, so username password complete, then we'll go to the login button. Okay, let's go here and select the login button. Okay, this is the login button. First let me close this. Okay, and select the login. So this is the login. Same thing, id equal to login hyphen button is there here, right? id equal to login underscore login hyphen button. Okay, so same thing we'll give here, forward slash input. Okay, then at the rate id equal to login hyphen button, log in hyphen button. Okay, so this is our selector. This is unique one of one and it is correct, highlighted with yellow color. Okay, so same thing we'll use for login button. Okay, so login underscore button equal to page dot wait for selector. Okay, in single quotes we'll use this. Okay, then this is a button, that's why you have to click it. Okay, dot click. Okay, so this is our code, so we'll wait page to be typed out. Okay, wait page time, wait for timeout equal to 5000 milliseconds. So it will be display for 5 seconds and it will disappear. Okay, guys, so let us run this code and see. Okay, so it is entered username, password, and it clicked on the login button and it disappeared after 5 seconds. Okay, guys, so this is what we completed is id equal to id value we completed. Similarly, we can do it for attribute name equal to attribute value, right? So what I will do is I will copy paste same thing here. Okay, Control C, then Control V, then comment out these things. Okay. Now I will go for attributes. Okay. So here, if you see for login username, what is the attribute, guys? Let us close this. Okay, username. Click on the username. Okay, so attributes are so many attributes are there here. Tag is the input. Attributes are placeholder is attribute. Type is attribute. Data hyphen test is attribute. Okay, name is attribute. Okay, so here I will take the data hyphen test as an attribute. Okay, so here he will give the input attribute value. Okay, so data hyphen test, that is the attribute name, equal to attribute value. What is the attribute value, guys? Username. So username is the without hyphen here. Okay, so this is done. This is username is done. Then password. So click on here, inspect, and go to the password. This is the password. So I will use the here attribute placeholder equal to capital P password. Okay, so here I will use placeholder. Okay, placeholder is my attribute name. Placeholder equal to capital P. Okay, password. Okay, this one. Okay, and similarly login button. So where is my login button? Click on login button. So this is login button. So here we'll use something called name here as attribute. Okay, and login hyphen button. So here we'll use name. Okay. So here I am you not display writing here to save the time. So if you click on these things, it will display. For example, I'll show one. Okay, let me click do it for uh, login button. Okay, so it should display the value like this. Okay, so our placeholder, our selectors are correct. Okay, so let us run this code and see. So this is with attribute name and attribute value for XPath, relative XPath. Okay, it starts with two forward slash, then tag name, then attribute name and attribute value. Okay, let us see. Let's run this code and see. So like this, it will open and it will close after 5 seconds. Okay, guys. Okay, so this is done. ID and attribute. Then we'll go to the test. Okay, let me comment out these things here. Okay. Okay, guys. So let me cut this and paste at the end. So this is test. I am going for test, right? So this is the session for test. So let it be there here. Okay. Okay. So yeah, let me close this. Okay. So test we are learning now. Okay, so test is nothing but here, for example, I will take the different site here. So that site is this one. Okay, Ultimate QA website. Okay, so here test means this one. Okay, forgot password and create a new account. These are the tests. Okay, so how to find these web elements we'll see now. Okay, so there are two methods. One is test equal to. Okay, test equal to method, and second one is contains test and substring. Okay, these two we'll see now. Okay, so this is the website, right? So copy this URL and give here page dot go to. Okay, and comment out this, right? Okay, So this is Ultimate QA website. Then we are learning about how to use the test, right? So here is our code. Before that, we'll see here how to find the web element using Control F here. Okay, inspect. Okay, so select an element. So select this forgot password. So this is our web element. Okay, so if you observe, the test always will be in the black color. Forgot password is a black color, means it is test. Okay, so how to find this web element using test we'll see now. Okay, so let's say here control F. Okay, then to forward slash. Okay, then where is our web element? Here, right? Okay, to forward slash. Okay, then tag is a, right? Okay, so let me select that again. Okay, so tag is a here. Okay, then test is forgot password. Okay, so let's give test equal to forgot password. Forgot password with the question mark. Okay, so nothing is selected. 0 of 0. Why? Because some issues there here. So if you double click this, okay, so it is going to multiple lines. Okay, test is going to multiple lines. That's why it is not working. So in that case, we have a solution for that, where we have to use normalize hyphen space. Okay, normalize. Okay, hyphen space of this test, then compare with that string, then it will work. Okay, guys, so you have to remember, whenever this test is in multiple lines, use normalize space test equal to forgot password. Okay, then it will work, right? So here forgot, okay, password. So we have to select this, right? So page dot wait selector. Okay, so in single quotes give our selector, right? Then click on that. Okay, dot click. Okay, so let us see whether it works or not. So let's run this code. Let's open the web page. Okay, then it's waiting still. Then click on forgot password. Okay, guys, it is working. So after 5 seconds, it will go off, disappear. Okay, guys, so like that, we have to use test equal. Okay, for example, if you have forgot password in single line instead of multiple lines, then no need to use normalize hyphen space. Directly it will work. Okay. So in this example, I don't have direct test, so I have to use the normalize space test. But test is direct without multiple lines and blank spaces, then you can use directly test equal to. No need of using normalize hyphen space. Okay, guys. Then we'll go for test contains. Okay. So let us comment out this and let us copy and paste here. Okay, comment out this. Okay, here it's not copied. Okay, so here test contains. Okay, so let's go here and find out that. Okay, so here same web element we'll see forgot password. Okay, or else we can take one more test here. So create new account. Okay, so this is my test. So let's select the element. create new account. Then our selector will be, okay, two forward slashes. Then what is the tag, guys? A. A is the tag. Okay. Then contains, contains, okay, text, okay, comma, any substring you can give. Okay, so what our element is, our test is create a new account. Okay, so substring I will give here like create. Okay, then it should work, right? So here I have to close my bracket here, then it will work. Okay, so like this contains works. Okay, whenever you are using contains, then select a substring from the test and use it. Okay, so this will work for us now. Okay, then remove this and paste that. Okay, now run the code. It is waiting. Then it clicked on create new account. Okay, guys. Okay, so we are learned how to use ID and attribute name and all. Same contains we can use with attribute also. Okay, we'll see that in the next class. Hope you like this class. If you like this class, please subscribe to my channel Abhiyan with tutorials for more such imaging automation videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.